Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in this video, I am going to make a bin classes. Okay. So for this, okay, first let me check my system volume. Fine. So inside SRC main Java folder, there is a package called com.ktechnology.project. So this is my base package. Inside which I will create a new package. Actually, I have already created all the packages in the previous video, but due to the some technical errors, I have deleted them. So I am going to create all these packages in this video. Okay. So actually, I am going to make packages according to the classes. Okay, that are required. So first, click on package. Click here DTO. Click on finish. Now inside DTO package, click on class. Give the class name car details. Okay. Click on finish. So finally, I have a class car details. Now inside this class, first implement this class with a serializable interface. Serializable. Now inside this class, provide the member variables with a private access modifiers. Okay, and all the member variables will be the details of a car, that is car ID, car name, car company, likewise. So first I am going to provide car ID, then car name, car company, private string, let's say fuel type, power steering. Okay, brake system, private string, on road price, private string, mileage, mileage. So and the last one, private string, seating capacity. After this, provide this class with the string annotation in TT. Okay, this is basically one of the annotation that denote that whatever the classes that are providing here, okay, that is going to map with a table inside our database. Means I can say that this class is going to be a table inside our database, and all the member variables inside this class will be the columns of that table. After that, uh, now this is going to be a table inside our database, so there must be a primary key for this table. So I am going to make the primary key car ID. So for this I am going to provide one of the annotations ID that is going to import from javax.persistent.id. Okay, this makes the car ID the primary key, and again I am going to provide one of the annotation called generated value. Strategy is equal to generated type.auto. So this is it for primary key, and provide a column annotations to make sure that it is followed. Actually it is not required to write a column annotations for every variables, but it is good practice to do that. So here we go. After this, provide a getters and setters for all the variables. So click on generate getters and setters, click on select all, click on generate. So our this class car details bin class is completed. Okay, save it. So in the next video I am going to make another class called admin details. Okay, so stay connected with us. Thank you. See you in next video.